Oh my god, look at him. He's scared.
Video of Zachary Armand Dwyer pulling a tooth with a Nerf gun.
Stop, Mom.
3, 2, 1.
I can't.
Pull the trigger!
Ah, he got it! He got it!
Did it go out?
Yes. Yes.
Wait.
Are you crying?
No.
I don't think so.
Yes.
I think he's good.
Nice.
Decent hand.
$273.